Hello and welcome. I'm Kevin Kaufman, and this is my business partner, Fred Weaver. We're Group 4610, Arizona's premier short sale team. You'll notice there's a lot of information here on this website about us. You can find all kinds of things out, get some of your questions answered about short sales. You'll find out that we've closed hundreds and hundreds of short sales at a 90% success rate. Fred today has a topic he wants to talk about. Lots of other information on this blog, but specifically today, Fred has something he wants to share with you.
Yeah, one of the questions we get a lot from homeowners like yourself that get asked to Kevin or I is, do I have to be behind on my payments to do a short sale? And if so, how far do I have to be behind? And what if I don't want to be behind on my mortgage payment? So I want to address that here with you real briefly today and let you know a few things. First of all, as real estate agents and also as folks who mitigate and negotiate short sale transactions, we're never going to advise you, our client, or even if you're not our client, we're not going to advise anybody whether they should or shouldn't make their mortgage payment. It's just not our place to do. What we can share with you is this. Over the past couple of years, a lot of the banks have really put policies in place that say, you know what, we will only consider borrowers for a short sale transaction if they're already behind, have already missed payments on their short sale.
Yeah.
In fact, some of the short sale approval letters that we see now here in late 2010, you might be watching this video even in 2011, state that, you know what, you've got to be at least X number of months behind on your payment,
Yeah.
at least 30 days or more behind on your payment. Now, I do want to tell you that's the bank's stance the majority of the time. Most banks are going to default there. Now, if you're a homeowner who says, well, I really don't want to have the credit impact or I want to limit the credit impact, can I keep my payments current and still do a short sale? The answer is maybe, but here's the question I'm going to ask you if you were to tell me that on the phone. I'm going to ask what your hardship is. I'm going to ask what's the reason that you need to actually do this short sale, because the bank has something that they're going to call, help me with the term here.
Imminent default.
Imminent default. Thanks, Kevin. I went blank on us for a second. Imminent default meaning that, you know what, if you're current, we need you to show us in the near future what is going to be that situation that's going to cause you to default on this loan. And if you can prove to us that it's a job transfer or some sort of military situation where you're being sent off somewhere, or where you've got maybe a job loss that's coming and your income's not going to be replaced, or you're retiring and your income's going to be severely decreased, if you can give us some sort of reason that would show us a reduction in income in the very near future, they call that imminent default, and they will consider you to be current on your payments and allow a short sale. But if you're just a homeowner out there that just wants to get rid of your house and doesn't want to pay anymore and you don't want to miss payments, I'm here to tell you that that's not very likely to happen. So we want to help you, whether you're the homeowner that just wants to get rid of their house or the homeowner that's got a situation that's going to cause them to be behind on their payments soon. We want to coach you and help you in that direction, and we understand everybody's situation is different and unique.
Yep.
So fill out the form here on the website today. Give us an opportunity to speak with you and let us consult with you one-on-one about your specific situation.
Thanks a lot, guys. Fill out this form here today, and we'll be in touch soon.
Thank you.